Alright, he survived. Alright, those guys are waiting. See how we go, see if we can make it. Oh, the other guys went back. And hopefully he can make it. Ayom! Alright, he make it. He made it, he made it, he made it. Another one in here. He made it. Oh. Alright. He made it. Good one. Here we go, it's the Gojek man. Come on. Okay, he made it. Alright, it's a lot of people that turn back. They turn around looking for a different way. Alright, here's the Gojek man coming. He's coming? No. Alright, those guys, they are not sure. Not sure. So many traffic there. So many traffic. No, they turn around. They turn around. Alright, everyone turn around. They don't want to drive past. Really bad, guys. Really bad. Alright, let's see. And now too many traffic in there. They choose to turn around looking for a different way. This is really bad, guys. Really bad. Look at this flood. All the way in here. Yeah. Everyone turn around. Turn around. No one wants to take a risk. Alright, this family. Let's see. They're thinking about it. No. They think about it. No. Here we go, there's a car coming. Here we go. Car coming! Ooh, it's a big flood. It's all the way here. A push bike. Alright, my push bike is fine. Push bike is fine. Alright, let's check this out. This car. No, he's not coming. Let's turn around, everyone turn around. I can hear the motorbike in here. Alright, he can make it. He made it. He made it. Oh! Wow! Stop, guys. That's really bad. Alright, let's help him. Let's help him. Go. Alright, he's doing. He's good. Sekira mati. Alright, he's doing well. I thought his motorbike's dead. But not. Alright, keep going. Oh, cool, he made it. This car coming. Ooh, this is crazy. This is crazy. Look at this. Woo. Come on, bro. Alright. Think they made it. Cool, they made it. Alright, let's see. Take this, guys. Ooh. Alright, a little bit more. I guess he's about to stop. Ayo gas, Pak. Oh, this one is a half. This guy as well. Ooh, this is nearly full of this motorbike. Alright, I guess he's gonna survive. Survive, come on, survive. Yeah. Good one. Very good one. Alright, there's a car in there. I don't know if you want to drive through. Let's check out. Let's check out. I guess it's not. Alright, let's check this motorbike. Here we go, he's coming. Okay, he is certified. Good job. Another one coming. He's a bit slow. Okay, he is certified. Good one. Okay, it's truck here. Let's check this out. What are you gonna do? I guess you're gonna drive very fast in here, and we can see this splash. Ooh, big splash. And that is why cars are following from the back, following the big truck from the back. Look at that. He made it. Keep going, and then some more motorbikes coming. Another truck in here. Pick up. Keep going, sir. Keep going, sir. They made it. Another motorbike still here. Another one in here. There's a lot in here. Whoa, that style. Alright, they passed it. He passed it. Alright, it's a lot of people that they turn around the motorbike. Alright, let's take this Gojek man. Come on, Gojek man. No. Ooh. Certified. It's a bit cheeky guy. Yeah, a little bit more, a little bit more. Certified. Another Gojek man coming. So let's see what's going on with this guy. Ngebutom! Two Gojek men. Come on, man. You're gonna survive. Alright, how about this car? No way! Oh! He survived. The Gojek man. Alright, good job. What's going on? What's going on over there? How about this car? Everyone. Oh no, hurry up! Keep going! No, he's dead. No, keep going. Good job. Good job. He's almost dead. The car's almost off. Alright, that guy, Gojek man, is coming back again. Alright. Good job. Alright, it's a big truck here. Woo! Oh dear. Alright, they survive. Easy for the car. Easy for the car, not for motorbike. This is not a good idea because this is not matic. Manual bike. This is not good. Not the good idea. Turn around, turn around. Oh, okay. Let's do this, sir. Take it easy, take it easy. Survive. I guess they're going to stop it. They're not allowed to car pass by because when they drive through the waters, all the waters go flood over the house and go into the house, flood over the road. So it goes to someone's house just right that lady. So they're gonna stop it. They're gonna block the road. They're gonna block the road. Yeah, I guess that's the good idea. Alright guys, thank you so much. I guess that's it for here right now, which is a flat in Pemogan. Yeah, hopefully it would be end soon, finish soon, so the road will be back to normal again and then people can use this road again. Yeah, not a good idea. Not a good idea.